B House is the embodiment of architectural beauty that blends with nature. Located in the Spanish countryside, the residence is designed to adapt to the changing colors of the seasons. The yellow facade reflects the wildflowers in spring, the wheat fields in summer, and the moss that covers the ground in winter. With this approach, the house is not only a place to live, but also part of the ever-evolving landscape. Behind its simple appearance, the residence holds a surprise in its design. The compact size and low ceilings still feel spacious thanks to large openings that invite natural light. Large windows serve as sources of lighting while also framing the surrounding views. Each space is designed to create a calm atmosphere, making it a refuge from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. One of the most interesting elements is how the design takes inspiration from its surroundings. Colors, materials, and layout are arranged to strengthen the connection between the occupants and nature. From inside, the changing times and seasons can be clearly felt, providing a more immersive living experience. The sun rises in the east and the warm sunset in the west become an inseparable part of everyday life. In addition to its harmonious aesthetics, the residence also offers functional comfort. Each space is designed with maximum efficiency, avoiding unnecessary elements. The use of local materials and sustainable design principles further strengthen the character of this house as a place to live that respects nature. Beauty that is not only visible from the outside, but also felt in the daily lives of its inhabitants. B House is a reminder that good architecture does not have to be grand. In its simplicity, this design shows how a residence can be a reflection of place, time, and life. A house that does not just stand in the landscape, but truly lives with it.